it's me. And like, I just want to show you how I'm going to make chicken cutlets. They're going to be gluten-free, dairy-free, everything. Everything free. It's free. No, I'm joking. It's going to be gluten-free and dairy-free. So if you want to like hang out with me and just like check it out, that would be great. I would love to have you. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to like fillet the chicken. Let me get it out. That would help, right? I'm going to take it and we're going to fillet them. Let's cut that off. Nice. Nice. Alright, while I do this, I'm going to finish this up and then I'll come back to you. Okay? Alright. Okay, so this is not sponsored, but I got to tell you that this knife, see this knife? This knife is amazing. It cuts like butter. Butter, I say. Look at this. Nice. Look at that. All right. I'll see you in a few. Okay. So now I got it all flayed up. Now we're going to bread it. So we're going to take the gluten-free breadcrumbs that I made. There's a recipe. It's going to be linked up here. Somewhere up there.
I think
up there.
I think it's right there. Right
My
there.
daughter's hanging out with me. So we're going to put it in this bowl, plate, whatever you want to call it. Pie plate.
What plate? Wait.
All right. And then we're going to
Ah.
crack some eggs. 1.
You got a shell on your hand.
2. I don't. There's no shell in there. That's why I crack it in here.
Hand.
Look. I know it's there. See? It's there. Take it and throw it in the garbage. All right, let's get a fork. Okay. So we're going to beat the eggs. Pour that on top. And then my kids have they have a dairy allergy, so we can't use milk. So I'm going to use almond milk. Gonna pour that in. Nice. And let it soak for a little while.
Not sponsored.
Let's put this in the sink. All right. Let's take this. I'm laughing because I hear my daughter. Tell them it's not sponsored. All right, so we're going to let this soak for a little while. And then we're going to come back and I'm going to start breading it. All right, so now we're going to bread it. We're going to take this. I'm going to throw this in here. I just take it and put it in the egg, then the breadcrumb, and that's it. And put it over there. Put some in here. All right, we're going to take this over here. We're going to fry this. I'm going to take Filippo Barrio. I'm going to put it in there. I'm going to heat it up. Alright, so I want to eat tonight. So I'm going to do 2 pans at one time. More oil in the pan. Let that heat up. Alright, let's see if it's ready. It's moving like water. Nice. Nice sizzle. Put them in there. Get everybody in the frying pan. Everybody in the frying pan! See, that one's not done. Let's put one more in here. That oil's not hot enough. We gotta wait for that pot. Pan, whatever, that thing. You see it? Over there. Alright, I'm gonna fry some up. We'll get it to golden brown. I'll flip it and then we'll come back. Alright, so I think they're ready to flip. Let's check them out. Yes. See, they're nice and golden brown. Flip them all over. Look at that. They're going to be crispy, delicious. Gluten-free, dairy-free. They're going to be so yummy. Alright, so when they're done, I'll come back. Alright, so these look like they're done. Clean fork. Yep. Put them on paper towels so they drain the oil out. That's not done. That's done. See, they're nice and deliciously crispy. Look at that. Okay, so let's try it. They're all done. Try this one. It's delicious. Crispy, juicy. Oh my God, you gotta try this. You gotta try it. Gluten-free chicken cutlets. You're gonna love it. If you like it, subscribe to my channel and you can see more. Ring that bell and I'll let you know when I put another video up. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.